My name is Negasa Dano. I'm one of the council members for Oromo Evangelical Church in Houston. In 2010, we were worshiping at a Lutheran church here in Houston. At the time, we were in the ELCA. When it became clear that we could no longer support the ELCA direction, we left the church and we lost all of our support. The congregation scattered through the city, and at that time, actually, we were left only with 3 family members.
My name is Kamiso Boru, pastor of Oromo Evangelical Church. When I came to Houston, the church had only 7 members. We were meeting in a church on Sunday evening, but we trusted in God with the mission we were given. We joined North American Lutheran Church in 2011. And since then, we have enjoyed a wonderful growth. Then we were in a shared space with another congregation. But when we joined the North American Lutheran Church, we were able to come to First Evangelical Lutheran Church in 2012. And we had space to grow. We now have about 72 members. We have different kinds of ministries in the church. We have a choir ministry team. We have a prayer ministry team, women's ministry team, youth ministry team, and a social ministry team.
We love being in Houston and we love Texas. It is a diverse city and there are a lot of immigrants here in Houston. This church has been founded by German immigrants, and a lot of Lutheran churches in Texas were founded by immigrants. That's what we're trying to do here, to begin our lives the way they did back then.
Where we are currently located is pretty far from where Oromo people live. Our long-term goal is to buy our own space here in Houston, which is important for us to grow.
To carry out this mission, we are asking for 3 things. 1, we need your prayer. Please pray for our congregation when you gathered on Sunday morning. Number 2, that every congregation make a place for us in their budget or mission strategy in 2018. Even if it's $1 a year, we hope you can support us or our mission. Number 3, we are prayerful and for significant gifts so we can put down as a down payment on a new building. Thank you for your prayer and for your support. May the Lord bless you and your ministry.